Hi, I'm Jeannie Jacobs. Welcome to my table where the best moments of life happen. Today I'm going to make Aloo Tiki sliders, one of my favorite things to eat. It's such a delectable treat. They're sweet, they're tangy, and they're spicy, and enjoyed by all, and they're vegetarian. So it's perfect for my husband. So if you're interested in more recipes like this, please go to my website and you can find some really awesome choices. But I have a cookbook coming up soon, and it is called Welcome to My Table, where life's best moments happen. So check it out when you can. But what I need you to do right now, sure, like this video for me, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and subscribe to all of my social media channels as well. So let's get busy. We're gonna make Aloo Tiki sliders today. Yay! First thing we need to do, we need to boil our potatoes. We're talking about 3 to 4 medium-sized potatoes. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Once they're boiled, we're gonna peel them and smash them. While the potatoes are boiling, I'm gonna add some salt to the water. That helps. Now our potatoes are boiled. They're done. They're very tender. So we're going to remove them and let them cool down a little bit. So a little bit too hot to handle. So let's get those removed from the pot of water. Another way you can boil potatoes is steam them. If you have a steamer, I sometimes do that. I'll steam my potatoes and it works very well. But since I'm outside, I don't have a steamer outside, we're going to do the old-fashioned way. We're going to boil these potatoes. Yeah, nice and tender. Now, got the potatoes out of the boiling water. I'm going to take these inside and submerge them in cold ice water. This way we can stop the cooking process, and the potatoes will be easier for me to peel and handle, mash them up, and not burn my fingertips. Okay. Now, potatoes have been peeled. Now all we need to do is mash them up. We're also gonna mash in some green peas. So let's get mashing with these potatoes, because this is the bulk of your slider, this potato. Just use a simple fork. You don't need anything fancy to mash your potatoes up. These are nice, tender, buttery, golden potatoes. So just use 3 to 4 potatoes, boil them. You can steam them if you would like in your steam oven, but I like mine boiled. I'm outside, steam oven. Hit or miss sometimes with me. All right, as you see, the potatoes are now mashed up. Nice and creamy looking. Still with a little, chunkiness to them, because you're gonna make patties out of the potato mix. So a little chunk helps keep the potato patty together. Now we're gonna add the green peas, and we're gonna actually mash those in as well. So just get some frozen green peas. You can put them on the stove, cook them up a little bit, and just smash them into these potatoes, just like you see I'm doing now. I'm a true scent person. That's why you see me with candles when I cook or bake. Just really gets the olfactory senses going and taste buds going. So candles, linen sprays, I usually spray them, use them while I'm cooking. Okay. Next up, you want to add garam masala, cumin, the smokiness, a little bit of red pepper flakes, and forever you want to use the breadcrumbs. So give it a good mix. Oh, this smells absolutely fabulous. Cumin and the garam masala. Oh. Now, I'm also gonna add some salt and pepper. That's like mandatory. So we have some salt. I'm using a pink Himalayan salt by Maison Gabrielle. And I'm gonna grind in some black peppercorn. This smells so good. Now, the next phase, we are actually going to make patties out of the potatoes, and we're gonna fry them, and we're gonna create these sliders. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna make patties out of our potato mix. And I'm gonna make mini burger sliders. So we don't want them too big, but you just pat them, turn up your heat, and let them sizzle. Oh, there we go. Yep, just like that. Little patties. We're good. So far I have 5, 6 in the pan. And we'll see what we got. All right, let's flip them over. Yes, nice golden brown on the bottom. That's exactly what we want. Perfect. Let this one brown a little bit more. We're almost there. Now we got a perfect crust on our potatoes. I'm gonna take them off and we'll start some more patties. These smell so amazing. Spices are just perfect, perfect. This one I'm gonna let. All right, so the last step is this. We're gonna toast our buns. So pick whatever bun you want. Hawaiian rolls, Pepperidge Farm mini buns, whatever it is. I don't know, pretzel buns, butter them. We'll butter the pan, drop the buns in, and after that, you just put your aloo sliders together. That's it, butter and leave them alone. Our buns are now done. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove them from the pan. They're slightly toasted, just perfect. Now, we're gonna go inside and we're going to create the little sliders, yay! So now what we're gonna do, we have our nice golden buns. So I'm gonna use a chutney. You can use mint chutney, you can use tamarind chutney. I'm gonna use a mango chutney. I'm gonna put the chutney on my bun, just like that. Then I'm going to place a patty, just like that. And you can top it. You can also add cheese, you can add tomato, arugula, you can even add little purple onion. My family kind of likes it a little plain. Because all the flavors that are there. So watch me build. Super excited to have these for dinner. It doesn't take much chutney, but the chutney kind of gives it like a little extra sweetness. You know what I mean? So you got the tangy, you got the spicy, and you got the sweetness all wrapped up in one in these sliders. Now again, if you are looking for more recipes, hey, check out my website. It's www.jeanniejacobs.com. In my blog section, you'll find lots of recipes. And I want you to check out my upcoming cookbook, Welcome to My Table, where life's best moments happen. You will find the recipe for our Aloo Tiki sliders in that cookbook. Look at our sliders. Aren't they beautiful? They smell absolutely fabulous. The spices are just so tantalizing. These sliders are so yummy. Watch. Oh my gosh. You must try this recipe. These are so flavorful. It's like little flavor bombs. And if you're a vegan or vegetarian, this is the dish for you too. Anybody can have this. My children love these and they do not like vegetables. So I highly recommend you try this. So I'm Jeannie Jacobs and thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please like it, comment. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and all my other social media channels. And again, my cookbook is coming out. I'm so excited. It is called Welcome to My Table, where life's best moments happen. Look for it. It's coming soon. Pre-order soon as well. These are so yummy.